The Chill Witch Manifesto. In these times of darkness and terror, don't get tripped up by this fatal error. It's easy to forget your power when you're bombarded with fear each hour. Every way you turn and look, there's evidence that's got you shook. When everything seems dire and serious, it's easy to forget to be curious. The Muses want to speak through you, and play and sing and dance through too. But it's really hard to channel them when you're always stressed and overwhelmed. You're trying hard to save the world, but don't forget, you're just a girl. Well, actually, that's not true. Because lucky you, you're a wise witch too. To harness all your magic skills, it's so important to be chill. To manifest what you desire, it's vital that you be inspired. To be inspired, you must be open, and playfulness is the token. You have to let yourself have fun. That's the key, or else you're done. You owe it to yourself and the world to let your happiness be unfurled. I've made myself some simple rules to remind myself to keep it cool. Chill Witch guideline number 1, you have to let yourself have fun. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Your inner child is your friend. The world is not a perfect place, but give yourself some playful space. Creating from a space of fun is the only way to get things done. Anxiousness is what got us here, so let's start over with consciousness clear. Curiosity is your gift, so free your heart and feel the shift. Chill Witch guideline number 2, don't forget what's really true. Fear is false evidence appearing real. Don't let it dictate what you feel. Yes, there is duality, but don't let doubt rule your reality. Be the change you wish to see, and life will become what you wish it to be. Keep your core values close at hand, and they'll bless the ground on which you stand. Chill Witch value number 3. Yes, be the change you wish to see. That means not just in your comfort zone, but also everywhere you roam. It's easy to be love and light when the rest of the world is out of sight. Don't forget to lead with love, even when push comes to shove. Chill Witch value number 4. Don't be afraid to ask for more. We're so conditioned to settle for less that we make decisions under duress. You're worthy of comfort and wealth. It's vital to your mental health. You deserve to have your desires met. Added harm none, don't forget. Chill Witch value number 5. It isn't cute to stress and strive. There's challenges along the road, but struggle's not your default mode. Learn the art of letting go, and it won't hurt so much to learn and grow. Be willing to expand with ease, and manifesting will be a breeze. Chill Witch value number 6. Never get your mind transfixed. Knowing what you want is good, but don't obsess more than you should. I know you think your mind is really smart, but true magic comes from the heart. Desire feelings rather than things, and see what miracles the mystery brings. Chill Witch value number 7. Earth can be both hell and heaven. Who knows what happens when we die? Live in the now and don't be shy. The world is ours to craft and mold. Don't waste your time doing what you're told. Lead with love instead of fear, and we'll all thrive and prosper here. Chill Witch value number 8. Understand how you create. Your creative cycle is yours to know. It comes along with ebbs and flows. Plant, tend, harvest, rest, and you will always have success. Chill Witch value number 9. Remember not to complain and whine. Your words are powerful tools of magic. To use them wrong can end up tragic. Speak well of others and yourself, and you'll attract more love and wealth. If you speak ill of everything, then you'll attract more funky things. Chill Witch value number 10. Release what happened way back when. We all have a pity story. The details are often sad and gory. It isn't useful to forgive and forget, but vital that we move on and reset. Forgiveness isn't giving in, it's letting go to begin again. There's way more valuable magical tools, but start with just these 10 simple rules. You'll be amazed what gifts life brings when you have permission to let your soul sing. Enjoy these tips for spiritual health. Sincerely yours, your higher self.